Hey everyone, I'm Amanda. I'm one of the advisors here at Dyer Mazda and Subaru. I'm here today just to show you a couple of quick tips on how to maintain your tires properly. Living here in Florida with all of the rain that we get, having safe tires is one of the best things that you can do for your vehicle. The first thing I'll show you is how to check the tread depth on the tires and how to tell when you're kind of getting close for replacement. The easiest way that I like to do it is the tire manufacturers actually build what's called a tread wear indicator into the tire. So what you're feeling for is almost like a little speed bump when you're running your fingers through the tread on the tire. When you get to that little speed bump, when that speed bump lines up with your tread on the tire, on a brand new tire, it's pretty deep in there. When it lines up with the tread on the tire, that's when you know it's time to replace those tires. Here at the dealership, we measure with a tread wear indicator that actually gives us a number measurement. And the number that we look for is 330 seconds. At 330 seconds, the tires lose the ability to dissipate water away from the vehicle, and you're at an increased risk for hydroplaning. The next thing that's important about maintaining your tires is keeping the proper tire pressure and keeping the proper inflation. Overinflated tires can wear the tires prematurely, and underinflated tires can as well. And with an underinflated tire, you can also feel a pull in either direction. This is a tire pressure indicator. You can get one at your local parts store. And how you use it is you'll just take off the cap on the valve stem, you'll place this end over, and you'll see the little indicator that pops out at the bottom. That tire was reading about 33 PSI, which is right where it should be. When you check your tire pressures, you'll notice sometimes that they fluctuate, sometimes even day to day. That is normal. One thing you can do to decrease how much your tire pressures fluctuate and how often you have to maintenance your tire pressures is switching the air in your tires from traditional oxygen to nitrogen. That's a service that we offer here at the dealership. It's called Nitro Fill. The biggest difference between nitrogen and oxygen is that as a molecule, nitrogen is more stable and it doesn't respond as much to temperature. You might notice when we get our couple of cold snaps that we get here every year in Florida, your tire pressure light comes on and your tire pressures are a little low. That's because oxygen contracts when it's colder, and so it's a smaller molecule and it can more easily escape from your tires. Nitrogen doesn't have that response, and therefore your tire pressure is way more stable with the nitrogen in it, which, going back to over and under inflation causing premature wear on your tires, can save you in the long run. Dyer is happy to check your tire pressures for you, and when you are looking at your tires, if you see you're getting close, stop by, check out our website. We've got a huge inventory of tires. We're happy to help you with any of your needs and keep your vehicle safe for you on the road.